Hey there, this is Sneedleboop. In this video, I will show how I modified my Leader Accessories 53-inch universal roof rack crossbars to fit the roof rails on a Ford Flex. I purchased these crossbars through Amazon. They do not come assembled, but they were not difficult to put together. They come with two sets of different size hooks, which wrap around your vehicle's roof rails to accommodate different vehicle designs. Using the larger of the two hook designs, the hooks did not wrap around the roof rails on my 2019 Ford Flex. The crossbars use screws to attach the hooks to the assembly. They only come with one screw length, which was too short for my vehicle. I don't think you could expect the product to come with every possible screw, but it would be nice if it came with one extra set of longer screws, since my car's roof rails do not seem unusually large. The crossbars came with a black hex cap screw. The silver screw is a replacement I found in my local hardware store with the same thread. I believe it was M6x1. If you are attempting the same project, make sure you test that you have the same thread using a nut on the original screw and the replacement screw to make sure you have the correct thread diameter and pitch. I ended up using a 100mm screw to get the proper length for my vehicle. Make sure that for your vehicle you have a good amount of thread engagement in your final installation. The screw should be inserted at least a few turns when wrapping the hook around your roof rail, before tightening it down. Here you can see the assembly with the new screw installed, and the hook properly fitting to the vehicle. The new screw head protrudes slightly from the upright foot portion of the crossbar assembly. The protrusion is acceptable because the protective covers curve outwards. As you can see, there is plenty of clearance to this replacement screw. The only disadvantage I see with this replacement screw is that I can't use the Allen wrench included with the crossbars, which gives an indication of proper installation torque. If I had more time, I could have ordered longer cap screws with the same head design as the original equipment, but my local hardware store didn't have that, so I compromised with the hex head. I just need to get out a socket wrench or a screwdriver-like spinner with a socket on the end for installation and removal of the crossbars. At less than $100, despite the small modification required, I find the Leader Accessories 53-inch universal roof rack crossbars to be an excellent product for the price. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.